Okay, so welcome guys to this video. This is the first ever video I'm going to be making today from now on. From now on, I'm going to show you some different things that you would like. Like, I don't know, oh, I know, let's do the puzzle challenge. Let me just have a look. So, just a minute, guys. The puzzle challenge. Ta-da! See? Can you see it? Can you see the puzzle challenge? See, so what we're gonna do is build puzzles from the bits of this. So, should we get going? Okay, let's start. Guys, I've built the tower, dudes, and I don't want to build anymore because this is heavy. This is heavy work. Okay, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, guys, I'm back. So what else should I show you? I'll show you. Oh, I'll tell you a joke. Okay, so how did the cow cross the road? Because it didn't have any legs. Well, that wasn't funny, wasn't it? Oh, okay, let's do another one. How did the car have no wheels? Because it drove with bananas. Bananas doesn't make sense, does it? Okay, so I don't know what else shall we do. Shall we just? Oh, I don't know. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's do this. That's look at this, dudes. Okay, so look at this. It's spectacular. See what I'm drawing? It's so good. Look, 7. It's 7. Look, it's 22. Cool, isn't it? Oh well, it isn't, is it? Okay, so guys, what shall we show you? Oh, let's show you this terrifying mummy. Look, it has no hand, and look what it does. See, look at my mummy. Ow! Whoa! Hello. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay. So guys, I don't know what to do, and give me some likes and some subscribes for those funny jokes. Bye.